This is the 2018 Ford Fiesta. I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this particular vehicle. All right. Now, first of all, can you give me a like? Just press the like icon right there. Thanks a lot. All right. Now, let's go to opening up the hood. So I'm in the driver's side part of the vehicle. I'm going to look underneath, right? And right here is a lever for the hood. Okay. I'm just going to pull it back. I'm going to take 2 fingers, put it inside right there, and pull back until it clicks. And the hood has been popped, but then there's more to it. I'm going to walk out to the front of the vehicle, okay? Now, the hood is popped, but there's a safety feature to keep it from raising up, okay? So you're going to look up under here, and you're going to see like a yellow, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a yellow lever, and I'm going to take it, and I'm going to press it or slide it to the left, and then lift up. That's the lever right there, okay? And then once it's up, I'm going to take this and then put it in the proper area right there. And the hood is popped. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.